Hi, and welcome to this urgent update on the gold XAUUSD. Now, gold has been flying because of market conditions right now. I'm sure, everybody is aware of that. So, over the weekend, what I mentioned that the gold could be forming a W sort of pattern, and this is what it is. It is in fact a complex W pattern, which has just completed, which actually completed here. It went a little bit far further up, but it has completed there. So as long as this week is around here, we can expect gold to actually come down, and the gold has already started to retrace a little bit, and this can actually form a double top sort of thing. However, if it actually breaks through the previous high and goes to all time high, then what can be done, what are the levels which are there? That's what we're going to show. That's what we're going to see in this analysis. Okay. And if it starts to fall down, then what can be the target? Where can it go to? So right now the possibility is that it can still form a double top because we have complex W pattern and the market has completed that W pattern. That's why it can start to retrace. Okay. But this week was supposed to be bullish anyway, as per the previous analysis that I posted over the weekend. Okay. So let's bring in the analysis. So this is what it is. um Extreme levels were given here. These are extreme levels, but if you ignore this entire analysis for a second, actually the better analysis and overall the higher time frame structure, higher time frame bullish scenario was already given on jan 3rd, jan 13th. So I posted this on TradingView and in Telegram group on jan 13th, that this is the higher time frame view. So if this level was going to get broken, the bottom one, then M pattern was going to form. Okay. Otherwise it was going to go all the way to this bullish scenario. All of these levels were given, and this has turned out to be extremely good, because now it has reached this particular level, and this is the W pattern that I was just talking about. So this W pattern has already been completed. Now if the market continues to go higher, then it can reach one of these levels, the higher levels here. But right now, because this W pattern is complete, market is market is expected to go down. So let's see what it is, how it is looking right now on the real chart. So that's the same chart. That's the W pattern. The market has come there and it has completed that. In the process, remember, this smaller W pattern was completed, market fell down. This pattern was completed, it was little ahead of time, so this fell down. Now this one has completed. That's why I'm saying it can fall down. So if it starts to fall down, then what can be, where can be the profit targets, right? So in terms of profit targets, you can look for this chart. The horizontal lines can be your support and resistance, and they can also act as profit targets. So in case the market starts to go down, then all of these levels can act as your support and resistance. I've already posted that in Telegram, but I will also be posting it below this video as well. And now here, and below this FCP zone, it can actually become extremely bearish, like not extremely bearish, but it can become again bearish, if it actually gives us a good confirmation, at least on daily basis, below this FCP zone. Above this FCP zone, there are chances of actually going down, but the bullishness cannot be ruled out. It can still continue to go higher, and if it continues to go higher, the next targets to the upside, which are already planned in this case, were 2129 on this zone, basically 2129 to anywhere between 2152, and in extremely super bullishness, then it can come to 2284, near about that area. This particular zone, that is also possible. Why? Because again, this is going to form a bigger extended W pattern if market goes beyond this all-time high and gives us a confirmation. If it actually on weekly basis it closes above this, or just goes even on daily basis, if it closes above, then there'll be a good chance that it will continue to go higher into the upper FCP zone. So this is what we can expect. Now, how do we play this? Now remember, the market conditions are not suitable for everyone. So if you're not sure, then you should not be trading this particular market or any other market. So the best thing that you should do is make sure that you are managing your risk management, and first of all ask yourself whether this is the right time in the market to actually to be for you to trade, basically. Because if you're not feeling comfortable trading this market, then you should just take a little bit of break, for a few days, and then come back to this when it actually starts to make more sense. Now overall, I still think the market can still fall down, because you see, as I said before, when you have an M pattern, Inside the same pattern, we get a W pattern. Same thing happened with Bitcoin. Remember, in Bitcoin as well, the market was going up, then it fell down, created a W pattern. It went a little bit higher, like broke the all-time high, and then since then it has been falling down, and it is right here at the moment. So that can also happen to gold as well, because it's all about patterns, like what higher time frame patterns are evolving, right? So trade what you see. You can anticipate anything, right? But trade what you see and manage your risk. That's my advice to you, right? Okay, so I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other traders and trading communities, and have a great time.